Hello everyone, this is Tyler Buck, and today is the 17th anniversary to Barbershop Back in Business. Barbershop Back in Business was released on February 6, 2004. The movie starts with Ice Cube, Cedric the Entertainer, Sean Patrick Thomas, Eve, and the special appearances by Queen Latifah. So they're filming in Chicago, Illinois. It's just a sequel in the first Barbershop movie in 2002. Here, this is spine. See, they got special features. They have music videos. And this movie was rated PG-13. It's just be a little bit of cursing in the movie. And I think the movie was really good because in this PG-13 movie was really awesome, but a comedy. And I bought from the Blockbuster video was a long time ago, back in the Labor Day 2004. There's a Blockbuster. They're going out of business. There's a Barbershop Back in Business, a DVD inside. And I think the movie was really great. This is so good. It's really good. Well, this Barbershop movie is really awesome. It was made by MGM Pictures with 1 and 2 in the early 2000s. So, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to say happy 17th anniversary to Barbershop Back in Business. See you next time.